Tēnā koutou katoa, no mau hoki mai, Kapahaka for Kids, welcome back. Good to see everyone again. Kia ora, kia ora. First off, the screen. Really can't figure out why it's creating this blue colour. But what I have done is I've put a link to the Google Doc with all of these kupu. I'll put it on my page and I'll put it in the comments when we're done, and I'll just keep putting that link up. So if you want to access the kupu, if you want to have your own copy at home, then you can have those at home. However, yeah, just not much I can do about the TV at the moment. I'll figure out where the technical issue is that's turning our screen blue. Certainly is white on my screen, so yeah, somewhere between that connection. Number 2 for today, you're going to need a poi. So, I've got my poi with me today, kei konei. But if you don't have a poi, you've got some time to go and grab some socks. And then what I do is I stuff a whole bunch of socks inside there, and then I've just tied it off with a hair tie, or you can tie it in a knot, or you don't even have to tie it up. As long as you can, you know, mimic the movement of the poi with your makeshift poi. So that should only take you 5 or so minutes. So if you're going to miss anything, you'll miss the warm-up. Ka poi? All right, good choice. So just one more final check where we are. There's a bit of glare on there. I might shut that window. I'm running the sessions today without our lovely helper. So kind of. Oh yeah, there she is. Hey darling. Kia ora. Right, tatou. Let's get underway. Karakia time, hey? Here we are. After me. Kia hora. Kia hora. Te marino. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pūnamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te karohirohi. Te karohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tui hoi! Mauri ora! Ka pai, kia ora. Wonderful. So awesome little karakia there. Our kiwaha for today is tu whitia te hopo. The macron over the U over there, which means we emphasize that one. Tu whitia te hopo. Ka pai? So let's break it down one more time after me. Tu whitia. Te hopo. Ka pai. Tu whitia te hopo. Tu whitia te hopo. Ka pai, that's good. E tu whitia te hopo. Feel the fear? Do it anyway. Ka pai. And I think tu whitia te hopo is probably going out today to all of our parents that are sitting in the background, either on your laptop doing some mahi or lingering in the background doing some housework. What I want you to do for Kapahaka for Kids today is make it Kapahaka for everyone. Come on in, join the party, all right? And as I'm saying, coming in, I'm now going to ask you to go away and get your poi ready. So one more time, if you don't have poi at your house, kei te pai, you can grab some socks, stuff some socks up in there, tie it off, and then that will be enough for you to follow us through the poi motions today. Ka pai? Kia ora. You guys can go and do that. Now, everyone else that is prepared with their poi, let's move on for warm-up. Kia ora tātou. Let's get our mouth around making those correct Māori sounds. Haka mana para tawa ngā whā. E heke mene pere te wenge whē. I hiki mini piri ti wingi whi. O hoko mono poro tō wongo whō. Your vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhuku muna puru tu fu. Choice. Easy song. I know a lot of the matua in the background probably like, oh, I remember singing that when I was at Kura. Absolutely. So, second time we sing it, a little bit faster. Toru, fa. Haka mana para tawa ngā whā. E heke mene pere te wingi whe. I hiki mini piri te wingi whi. O hoko mono poro to wongo fo. Your vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Uhuku munu puru tu wongo fu. Kia ora koutou, ka pai, ka pai. One more time, super fast. Keep up. Toru, wha. A haka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wingi whe. I hiki mini piri te wingi whi. O hoko mono poro to ongo fo. Vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Uhuku munu puru tu ongo fu. How'd you go?
Here you go.
All right. You'll get there. You'll get there.
Go to Mama's room. Go to Mama's room.
This little Waiata here is a Waiata mahana, warming us up. So if you're not on your feet, now's the time. E tū tātou. An easy song. I sing it, you sing it, I sing it, you sing it. That's how the song works. Ka pai? So here we go. Pake ke mai o mati mati. Pake ke mai o mati mati. Wai wai whiua ki te taha. Wai wai whiua ki te taha. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani toti nana. Kani toti nana. Hey ha. Hey ha. Hey ha, paki paki. Ka pai. So let's do it with the actions. You and me together on your feet. Toru, wha. Pake ke mai o mati mati. Wai whiua ki te taha. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani tati nana. Hey ha. Hey ha. Hey ha. Paki paki. Joyce. I remember this song with Mrs. Warner at Terracine School in Palmerston North. Oh, geez. Must have been 1990? Wow. That's how old it is. And I'm pretty sure it was around before then. So, yeah. One more time. Okay, a little bit faster. I sing, you sing, I sing, you sing. Toru, wha. Pake ke mai o mati mati. Pake ke mai o mati mati. Wai whiua ki te taha. Wai whiua ki te taha. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani tati nana. Hey ha. Hey ha. Hey ha. Paki paki. Ka raue kia pai mai hoki. O se whānau. Here we go. Mahunga. Pakihiwi. Puku. Hope. Wai. Tāringa. Whatu. Ihu. Waha. Here we go. Toru. Wha. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai. Taringa whatu ihu wahae. Awesome. How did you get on with that one? Oh, good. All right. So make it a little bit tricky this time. We're going to take out some words, okay? So, no more pakihiwi. No more hope. No whatu. And no waha. Okay? No pakihiwi, no hope, no whatu, no waha. Koe riri koutou, are you ready? Tuwhiti a te hopo. Tore, wha. Mahunga Pukut, wai, mahunga. Pukut, wai, mahunga. Pukut, wai, turning up. Ihu, eh. Kia ora. Ka pai. And if your matua were giving that a go and they got it wrong, turn to them now and go. Kia ora koutou. All right. Let's round out our kapahaka with a little bit of classics, eh? Hit the classics. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, kōriri koutou. Are you ready? Here we are. Hoppe. Tūtira mai ngā taruwha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. To the other side. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi. Kia papatahi. Kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi kia tapatahi. Kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Hope. Tātou, tātou. Puriti a kia mau. Hia ue hi. Kia ora. Oh, we love tūtira mai ngā iwi, don't we? Now more than ever. I'm going to sing a line for you. I want you to sing it after me. We'll do this once. We'll jam some actions. Boom. We'll knock the song out the park. You ready? Ka pai. Pūrea nei. E te hau. Horoia. E te ua. Kia ora. Whiti, whiti a. E te rā. Ka pai. That's like the first bit, right? Let's move into the second part now. Mahea ke ngā. Mahea ke ngā. Horaruraru. Ma kere hana ngā here. Ma kere ana ngā here. I like it a lot. Kiraro. Hoppe. We're going to start with a scoop clap. Fold it out. Pūrea nei. E te hau. Off to the right. Oroia. E te ua. Whiti, whiti. Whiti, whiti a. E te rā. Two scoops. Mahea ke ngā. Poraruraru. Poraruraru. Makere. Makere hana ngā here. Makere hana ngā here. Kia ora. This is Purea Nei, another one of our Waiata by the wonderful Matsua Hirini Melbourne. Waiata this one more time. Ka pai. If you're still learning the words, don't even worry about it. Yeah, make them up as you go. You'll get there. For now though, copy these actions. Up on your feet. Ti mata tātou. Hope. Toru wha. Purea nei. E te hau. Horoia. Horoia. E te ua. Whiti, whiti. Whiti, whiti, oh. 2 scoops. Mahe ake ngā. Fold it down. Poraruraru. Double clap. Ngā kere hana. Ngā here. Mā kere ana. Ngā here. Hope. Hey. Choice. Ka pai koutou tamariki mā. Wonderful mahi. Wonderful mahi. Here we go. Pūrere hua. I know you love it. I know you love it. Okay? And we are going to do it. But we're going to skip it for now because we're going to do it when we get to the poi. Okay? It's my favorite. I know it's your favorite, Regan. I know. Ka pai. We'll get to it in a second, buddy. Here we are. Hope. We did this one yesterday. Karanga mai. We'll do it 3 times. Slow, so you can catch up. 2, to keep up. And 3, I've got to leave you behind. Toru, 5. Karanga mai. Karanga mai. Piwai waka. Piwai waka e. To the right. Tuki tuki mai. To the left. Tuki tuki mai. Piwai. Piwai waka e. He manu. He manu kori kori. He manu fio fio. Piwai waka e. Ku waiata e. Alright, second time, a bit faster. Toru, 5. Karanga mai, piwai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori kori. He manu, fio fio. Piwai waka e. Third one. It's quick. Here, keep up. I'm not going to wait for you. You ready? Right, here we go, Taneto. I know you got this. Hope. Toru. 5. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori kori. He manu, fio fio. Piwai waka e. Hey, ka pai koutou. Ka rowe tō koutou mahi. Easy little song, fun little song. I wrote this Waiata specifically for having some fun. Ka pai? Kapahaka is wonderful. It's got some awesome stuff in it, but don't forget to have some fun along the way. Alright? Here we are. Hope it. This is our welcoming song, 1 of 2 that we do. Tihei Mauri ora. Let's do it twice, eh? I'll slow it down the first time just to bring everyone up to speed, and on the second rotation, we'll go normal pace. Alright? Hope it. Toru, 5. Tihei Mauri ora. Tihei Mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia orara. Tihei Mauri ora. Tihei Mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora. Tahiru a toru wha. Hia ue hui. Choice. Excellent. Beautiful little Waiata there. Welcoming in your manuhiri. And the Waiata reassures your manuhiri of your hospitality. Tuake karangatia. We stand to call you in. Tuake manakitanga or manakitia. And we're here to look after you. Ka pai? Kia ora. What are we up to? This was a new Waiata that we started learning yesterday. We're going to learn it again today. And this time we're going to put in some actions, okay? So do a quick run through the Waiata and then we'll break it down with the actions. Ka pai? Alright, here we go. Whakarongo mai. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Ia matu e no hohou maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou inga rato ngā mō tātou. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. E mahi tonu ana e. Choice. It's got a nice little... Yeah, you know what I mean. Hey, okay. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. So here we go. Right hand comes up. Tēnā koutou. Left hand. Ngā kai mahi marika. And then out here. Ka pai. And then tap that one. Tap that one. Open to the end. Ka pai. So right hand out. Left hand out, and then a couple of these. Yeah, choice. Hit this one, tap that one, and open. Ka pai. Tēnā koutou, toru whā. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Toru whā. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Third time, at pace, toru whā. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. All good? Ka pai. I just hear a little bit of crying in the background. I think it might be Ivy. I think it might be Ivy. I know it's Ivy. But here we go. Ia matu e no hohou maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou inga rato ngā mō tātou. So from this action here, we're going to lay out and we're going to turn off to the side. But as you turn off to the side, I want you to keep your eyes forward. Ka pai? Because then we're going to bring those hands back around to the other side, to here. Ka pai? So, e mahi tonu ana e. And ia matu e no hohou maru ana. Ka pai? You're going to reach in back here, bring it around, reach in and open. Ka pai? So grab, open, grab, open. Ka pai? Here we go. Ia matu, toru, wha, and. Ia matu e no hohou maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou. Everyone get to there? Ka pai? And then from here, just going to open up. Inga rato ngā mō tātou. And then we're back to the stop again. Toru wha and. Tēnā koutou inga, kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Toru turn. Ia matu e no hohou maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou inga rato ngā mō tātou. Ka pai? Awesome. And when you get to ia matu e no hohou maru ana, bang, open, bang, open, open, ha. Ka pai? The actions are just as quick as the kupu. Hey, because the kupu, ka mahi tonu katawi ngara tonga mo tatou. So that's how fast the actions are. Boom, 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 boom. You ready? Okay. Tēnā koutou e ngā tahi, rua, toru, whā. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Turn, go. Ia matu e no, ho maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou i ngā rato ngā mo tatou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. E mahi tonu ana tahiru a tauru whā, hea wehi. It's a quickie, eh? Yeah, man, it's full on, mate, full on. So we'll go one more time, and then we'll jump into the poi, eh? Yeah, Matua, let's jump into the poi. Okay, here we go. Hop it. Tēnā koutou e ngā tahi, rua, toru, whā. Tēnā koutou e ngā kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Ia matu e no, ho maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou i ngā rato ngā mo tatou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana tahiru a toru wā, hea wehi. Oh, ka pai. Ka pai. That was choice. Kuri koutou mo te poi? Are you ready for poi? You've either got poi, or you've prepared, here's your sock that you've prepared earlier, or whatever other apparatus you might have lying around the house. Yeah? Okay, you ready? Hey, Jaja, are you joining us, bro? Jordan. See if he's coming. No? Alright. It's just me today, whānau. And you know what? I'll use the sock, eh? I'll start you off with the sock. So, ideally, you want your short poi to be shoulder width or less. Ka pai? Anything a little bit wider, you're moving into a different style of poi. So shoulder width. So if you have to, you can wrap it around the finger just to shorten it up. Ka pai? And I always advise for young tamariki who do have a poi, wrapping it around the finger is actually going to force you into the thumb over the index finger grip, which is perfect for poi. So, you ready? Awesome. Just going to spin your poi nice and gently. Doesn't have to be too fast and definitely not so slow that there's not enough rotational force or angular momentum as we call it, so that it falls out of orbit. Yeah. So here we go. Your poi, you're going to make a big circle. That's going to take you 4 counts. Easy peasy. Toru, wha, and tahi, rua, toru, wha. Again, tahi, rua, toru, wha. One more. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Choice. Now if you let the poi stop on its own, it's going to stop in the vertical position. Perfect for catching. So take your supporting hand, bring it in from the side, and grab. Oof. So let's do 4 catches. 4 catches. Yeah? Toru, wha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Again. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. What's the time, babe?
11.
Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Ka pai? So music comes in 4 counts, 16s, 32s, 64s. So really nice 8 count is what we're working to, yeah? Toru, wha. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Spin. Rima, ono, whitu, waru. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Rima, ono, whitu, waru. Ka Bye. So, move number 2. I want you to take your poi and place it over the shoulder that's holding it. Now, this hand and shoulder should be the hand and shoulder that you write with, but assuming most of you are righties, I'll switch to my left. It'll look relevant. Here we go. Over the shoulder. Easy. And then bringing your supporting hand in front of you, I want you to lay that poi over the top of your hand. Oh, choice. I'll do this from the side. And this time, I'm going to bring the poi back towards me, but instead of going onto the shoulder, I'm going to bring it to the chest. And when it arrives on the chest, I'm going to catch it. Kapai? So watch this. Okay, shoulder, hand, and then catch. Kapai? If you get really good at this, you don't have to catch it on the chest. You can catch it in the hand like this. Boom, boom, ksh. 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 Boom, boom. Catch it on the chest. Kapai? Again, boom, boom. Catch it on the chest. Lovely circles with my poi. Here we go. Hope. 4 catches. Rainbow spin. Shoulders. Twice. You ready? Toru, fa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Again. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Spin. Tahi, rua. Now take it to the shoulder. A boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. 2 more. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Oh, wonderful. That's enough moves for us to start purerehua. Are you ready? Okay, hope. 4 catch, rainbow spin, 4 catch, rainbow spin. Take it to the shoulder. Toru, fa. Purerehua, rereru ngā hau. Papaki parira, urereru ngā hau. Ka piki rungara wae. Papaki parira rereru ngā hau. Ka piki rungara wae. Papaki parira rereru ngā hau. Ah, choice. Easy move, eh? Yeah, man. And that's how it works. Just a really nice, easy combination. And you can actually, because it's an 8 count, you can use those combinations for anything. But for now, though, let's move on to one more move. Yeah? Getting your poi ready. The first time you spin this poi, it's got to go into the palm of your hand. Yeah? It's got to go into the palm. The second time you spin it, it's going to go to the back of your hand. Yeah? And then as it comes back around again, we're going to catch it. Now, this is a tricky one. Give it a go. Tu fiti a te hopo. Eh? Toru, fa. Boom, boom, catch. Whoa, going again. Boom, boom, catch. One more. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Kapai. Now, if it is hard for you to see what that motion is when I'm using the sock and it's blending in with my same color jersey, here we go. Okay, boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Work it. So now we've got 3 moves. Hey, we got the catching, we got the spinning, we got the shoulders, and we got the beat on the hand. Yeah. Now, if you struggle with the catch, it's okay. You can just stay here, going side to side. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Also, I like to call it reverse pendulum. But anyway, you ready? Purerehua. 4 catch, rainbow spin, into the shoulders, into the hand, back to the 4 catch, finish on the rainbow spin. Toru, fa. Purerehua, rereru ngā hau. Papaki parira, urereru ngā hau. Catch. Ka piki rungara wae. Spin. Papaki parira, rereru ngā hau. Katou, a pua wai. Ka whanahua, a purerehua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha. Ka ru, ka re, Ka putare whape. Purere hua re re runga hau. Papa ki parira re re runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki parira re re runga hau. Papa ki parira re re runga hau. Kia ora tātou. Nice little introduction to poi. So let's do one more easy peasy poi song before we jump into our haka. Are you ready? Right. Spinning your point. Goes up. It goes down. And there's outside. And there's inside. Kapai. You ready? Erere taku poe, herere taku poe, kirunga. That's up. Kirunga. Erere taku poe, kiraro. That's down. Kiraro. Erere runga, erere raro, erere roto, erere waho, erere taku poe, kirunga. Kiraro, kiroto, kiwaho e. Ka pai koutou, kia ora nā. Lovely mahi poi. Lovely mahi poi. How did you get on? Bit tricky. Oh, that's okay. It's only day one. And you know what? If you want to do some more poi with me, you can scroll back through some of the previous episodes and you'll see one where I'm wearing like a white hoodie, possibly some sunnies, and I'm standing outside. That's a session that is dedicated just to learning some poi. Okay, so it's a really good one to start with. But hey, just give it a go. Yeah, 2 feet out the hopo, pick up the poi, give it a go. Ready for haka? I can't hear you. I said, are you ready for haka? Yes. Let's go then. Last time we did verse number 1. Today we're doing verse number 2. So it starts here with the leader says, and we're going to do actions and words at the same time, right? So, right hand, going to punch it down. Po tu. And then lift it up. Terangi. Choice. Here we go. Po tu terangi. Po tu terangi. All right. Follow after me. Karahuitia. Karahuitia. Then rip it apart. Te kawana e. Te kawana e. And then we're going to create a list, right? Going to the right. Ingakura. Ingakura. Ngā mahi. Ngā hui. Ngā tutaki. Choice. One more time. After me. Po tu terangi. Po tu terangi. Karahuitia. Karahuitia. Te kawana e. Te kawana e. Kapai. Ingakura. Ingakura. Ngā mahi. Ngā hui. Ngā tutaki. Choice. Look, we're over halfway, yeah? Couple of lines to go. Couple of lines to go. So this one here, we're going to throw our hands out, but as we throw our hands out, our head is going to go down as well, yeah? After me, whakatu. And then up on rere. And then the third motion, we're going to dip off to the right. Hapori. Ka pai. So break those 3 down again. After me, whakatu. Terere. Ahapori. Ahapori. Ote mate korona e. Ote mate korona e. Choice. One more time, line by line. After me, yeah? rangi. Kara huitia. Te kawana e. I ngā kura. Ngā mahi. Ngā hui. Ngā tūtaki. Whakatū. Te rere. A hapori. Hote mate korona e. Hote mate korona e. Choice. You guys ready to smash that whole verse? Yeah? It's getting hot now. Open the window. So here we go. We'll do this twice and then we'll do both of them together. You ready? I te tae rua mana rua te kau. Pou tū te rangi. Kara huiti a te kawana e. I ngā kura, ngā mahi, ngā hui, ngā tūtaki. Whakatū te rere a hapori. O te mate korona e. Hapai, one more time. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. Here we go. I te tae rua mana rua te kau. Pou tū te rangi. Kara huiti a te kawana e. I ngā kura, ngā mahi, ngā hui, ngā tūtaki. Whakatū te rere a hapori. O te mate korona e. Choice. Let's go for the whole thing, yeah? Ka pai. Got some whānau tuning in from Melbourne. Kia ora Melbourne whānau. Kia ora Perth whānau. Good to see you guys over here. So here we go. Ko rere tātou, you ready? Last big haka for the day. Here we go. Ki raro. Whakaronga ki taku korero tūpato. Mate korona e. Ki te ti, ki te ta. Kua urua te. Hua ke tone. I te whenua. O te aroa. I te taurua mana. Rua te kau. Pou tū te rangi. Kara huiti a te kawana e. I ngā kura, ngā mahi, ngā hui, ngā tūtaki. Whakatū te rere a hapori. O te mate korona e. Oh, karawe. The neighbours watching me through the window. That was awesome, whānau. That was wonderful energy. Big energy. Appreciate it. Day 2, second lockdown. Nationwide level 4 lockdown, and here you are. Some of you are jumping into some new mahi for the first time, and some of you are coming back to some mahi that you've enjoyed before. But wherever you are on your journey, kia kaha tonu koutou, keep strong, kia haumaru te noho, stay safe. Don't forget you can shoot back through some of the other videos and find some more mahi on poi, or find some clips on there purely around the haka if you just wanted to do the haka. But for the rest of your day, spend some quiet time with your whānau and enjoy that time. If the weather's good enough to get out for a little bit of hākina kina, oh man, get out for some hākina kina. But otherwise, I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thank you for coming out. And one other thing, there's been a lot of comment around my mataora. I know some of you that have followed the page, you've seen the journey of my mataora. But what I'm going to do tomorrow afternoon, I'll put the details out on my Facebook page. But tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to do a live Q&A. I'll probably do it over Facebook, so that any questions coming through will have to be typed through. But yeah, I'll talk a little bit about my mataora, the history of mataora, what my mataora means, And then if you have any questions about my moko, about my mataora, then you can ask those questions because this is a safe place. Ka pai? All right. From my whānau to your whānau, our whānau, kia haumaru te noho, ka kite anō, tēnā koutou.